Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on village life. Village life is simple and close to nature. Agriculture and farming are common occupations in villages. Villages have a strong sense of community and support. Life in villages is often slower paced than in cities. Villages are surrounded by green fields, rivers, and forests. Villagers have close relationships and help one another. Villages offer cleaner and fresher air than cities. Cultural traditions and festivals are important in village life. Villages preserve traditional arts, crafts, and practices. Village life provides a peaceful and simpler way of living. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.